Hello everyone, my name is Roshan Kumar Sahu and my student ID is S4198545.
Hi, this is Roopsi Kaur. My student ID is S3941005, and this recording is for question 1, a dynamic malware analysis in a controlled environment. So we have already prepared our VM for the analysis. The following tools will be used: Process Hacker to see the process activities belonging to the malware under the explorer.exe process. Procmon, process monitor to see the files, process registry and network activities. Third is Redshot to see registry activities. And lastly, we're gonna use Wireshark to see network activities. We have already downloaded the malware, which is named as question 1. We're gonna take a clean shot for first shot for Redshot, and next we're going to run the malware. Oh,
So we had taken our first rec shot, and after that we have run our malware, and the malware executed for some time, and then it disappeared. So we can see in the process hacker there is a new ret svc.exe has been created, and now we will monitor the other things in the process monitor. So first we will try to filter out. First we will see the tree. In the tree, we will see the process and sub-process, the child process. Here we can see the malware was q1.exe, which was vanished in the process hacker, and it has created a sub-child process called regsvc.exe. So here we can see that there are a lot of processes from Explorer and all. So we will first try to filter it out with the process name. So the first filtration is I'm going to take is the process q1 and the reg svc. So we'll apply the filters on this one. So it takes a bit of time. So the filter has been applied, and also we will try to first create a second snapshot for our rug. And meanwhile we will see this. So here we can see that the reg set queries and all the creating files, a lot of things has been changed by this. So the important things here we need to check is for any kind of modification in the internet or any kind of modification in the read file important. So let me just scroll through once and I will show you. So here we can see the nuts and all. This has been changed. And okay, so meanwhile this has been done. Let me show you the Wireshark. So in the Wireshark, first I will see what has been changed because there has been a lot of configuration has been modified. So I will try to see the IPs and the conversation that has been done. So it's taking a lot of IPs, the 1.1, 8.8, all these IPs are here. So we are trying to find specific thing and let it load for a second. Yeah. So it has loaded. Now I will try to put a filter. So first I will try to check any HTTP request traffic. Okay. So it's loading. Till this we can see here Defender. Let me put some filters. So first I'm going to filter any if there is any process changes with the path, defenders, or cookies, or logging details. So we have applied the filter and we can see the defender path. So if we, from this we can say that malware has already tried to create a file or create the modifications in registry keys with the Microsoft Defender, which means it tried to evade the Microsoft files as well. Maybe this is a technique. And after that, I have even applied in the Wireshark some filters. From this, I have applied one IP that was, I felt like it's a suspicious 132. And once it's been applied, I will also show you the registry shots. We have already taken the registry shot and we have done comparison. From the DNS, we can see this particular IP from 132.69 is creating, and here we can see there is some malicious URL, checkipdns.org. So I will try to follow up this. And once we follow up, we can see here this host is checkip.dns.dnd and the user agent is Mozilla 4.0. But the Mozilla Firefox is not here in the machine host machine. So it means we can say that this is the malware activity. And also we can observe that it is trying to know the IP of the machine. 103 is the IP of the host machine. So it's a reconnaissance thing. And after this, if we see the registry keys, so registry keys are, we can see there are a lot of keys has been deleted and modification and addition of the keys has been also done here. So overall activity can be compared if we check the hash of the file. 62 vendors out of 70 has marked this file as malicious and Trojan.